What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another review for you guys. One of the most talked about Air Max 1s to drop in a long time happened just a few weeks ago. It was none other than this pair right here. This is the Patta Air Max 1, the original Monarch colorway. Even though this pair dropped not too long ago, we are already getting ready for the sequel. And those are the sneakers that I will be reviewing in this video, the second colorway of the Patta Air Max 1s. I will be reviewing the Patta Air Max 1 Waves in the Noise Aqua colorway. So what up, guys? To all my long-term viewers, welcome back to the channel. And if you are here for the first time, my name is Josh and I drop a whole lot of sneaker content on this channel. If you are into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am dropping at least 3 videos a week. So in this video, I will be breaking down this second colorway of the Patta Air Max 1. We'll talk about how this colorway compares to the original. We'll also get into the quality and sizing of this shoe. If you did miss out on this sneaker, I'll also talk about what prices you can expect to pay on the resale market for this pair. And as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So here it is, guys, the Nike Air Max 1 collab with Patta, the second colorway, the Noise Aqua. This colorway didn't exactly come as a shock because we have been seeing pictures of this shoe for quite a long time now. But at least for me, I was a bit surprised by how quickly this release followed the original colorway. This Monarch colorway, definitely a beautiful pair of shoes. It had everyone in the sneaker community talking about it. And I feel like this shoe didn't really get a chance to breathe, and now we're already getting a second colorway. Just a little bit surprised by how close these releases were to each other, but either way, I was definitely pretty excited to actually get this pair in hand. The official release date of this sneaker on the Patta website as well as the Patta store in Amsterdam is actually October the 29th, followed by a much wider release at other retailers as well as the Nike Sneakers app the following Friday, November the 5th. This actually isn't even my pair. Nike gifted a bunch of pairs to friends and family, and one of those people on that list is a friend of mine, so he let me borrow his pair to review. Let's start off with this box. Of course, we get a very special box here, and you guys might already be used to this box by now. It's the exact same box as the original Monarch colorway. It's a nice black box. It says Patta got love for all at the top of the box. It also says Team Patta in that silver lettering on the side of the box. It's the paper that comes with it. You see this logo of a raised fist on the paper. And opening up the box, you do get this little extra, this special pouch with the Patta logo on it. To once again get the same Patta bracelet you got on the original pair. It is made out of silver. You get the Patta logo, the Nike logo, as well as this flag of Suriname. And just in case you guys didn't know, the 2 founders of Patta are both from the country of Suriname. On the original release, there was quite a bit of confusion about this box. People didn't really know whether it was a special box or if everybody got the box. Turned out that it wasn't so special after all. Everyone did in fact get the box and the bracelet. And it looks like for this Noise Aqua pair, everyone will be getting the box as well. But let's get into the shoes themselves. The official colorway of this shoe is metallic silver and Noise Aqua. I'm definitely a fan of this shade of blue, this Noise Aqua color. It looks really nice on the silhouette, and especially when combined with the other colorway with the metallic silver, I think it goes really nicely together. The laces are done in that pure platinum or slightly grayish color. You get that nice Nike Air logo on the back, and the outsole of the sneaker also features that Noise Aqua color as well as a shade of khaki and black. And then you also have these hits of cream on the midsole as well as the sock liner and the tongue of the shoe. The tongue of the shoe does feature the Patta logo done in that Noise Aqua color, and at the very top of the tongue you get a slight touch of satin. Gives that shoe a bit of a premium feel. It's not just the tongue, pretty much the whole shoe feels like a very premium shoe. You get some butter soft leather on this sneaker. The mesh feels really good as well. From a quality point of view, this is really well done. No complaints from me. I've had other pairs of Air Max 1s in the past that have taken me a while to break into, but with my Monarch pair, I noticed that pretty much as soon as I put them on, they fit like a glove. And I'm pretty sure that has something to do with this very nice soft leather used on the shoe. When it comes to the design of the shoe, yeah, this sneaker is almost a normal Air Force 1. The one major change being the mudguard, this time done in that wave pattern. And also the other change is that little mini swoosh you see at the front of the shoe. But here comes the big question though, which is the colorway that you guys prefer? Do you prefer that OG Monarch pair? Do you like the latest colorway, the Noise Aquas? Let me know in the comments. I don't know, it's really tough to decide. They both look really good. I will say the Noise Aqua pair definitely fits in more with that wave theme. This particular shade of blue definitely is reminiscent of ocean, so it does look like ocean waves on the shoe. So I think for that reason, I would give the slight edge to the Noise Aqua, but let me know down in the comments which ones you guys prefer, the OG Monarchs or the Noise Aqua. When it comes to sizing, if you have never worn a pair of Air Max 1s before, for me they fit perfectly true to size. For me that's the same size as all Jordan sneakers like Jordan 1s and about a half size up than an Air Force 1. Let's quickly look at prices on these. So prices right now, the pre-release prices, they're going for around $350 to $450 in most sizes, which is actually much lower than what the pre-release prices were on the Monarch colorways. After the worldwide release of that pair, we saw the prices drop pretty much in half. The Noise Aquas, because the pre-release prices were even lower than the Monarchs, I'm expecting after the release, the prices on these to be even lower than what the Monarchs are right now, which if you took an L on the sneaker is definitely a pretty good thing because you might be able to get this for a pretty decent price. And I don't think people will be complaining about that because a lot of people, I feel like most people actually prefer this Noise Aqua colorway. There was a recent poll on High Snobiety about which colorway people preferred, and just looking at the comments, I noticed that most of the comments on there, people were saying they like the Noise Aqua pair. So maybe it was a good thing that these came in second. You'll probably be able to get a pretty decent deal on them. But let's wrap this thing up. Overall, the Air Max 1 Patta Noise Aqua, are these a cop or a drop? I really appreciate what Patta did here. You know, they gave us everything we love about the Air Max 1. They just changed one little element about it, and yet it looks like a totally different shoe, which even though it is quite different than the original mudguard, I will say it does look like it almost belongs on the sneaker. And this is just personal preference, but I actually do prefer this Noise Aqua colorway. So for me, these are definitely a cop. I think what Nike was attempting to do with this collab, and this is just my thoughts, I think Nike was trying to reintroduce the Air Max 1 to a newer audience, a younger audience, by slightly changing one element of the shoe and completely transforming it. And I think Nike and Patta have been quite successful at that. I've noticed myself in some of my comments on the videos as well on Instagram. A lot of people who were never interested in Air Max 1s before were looking at this pair like this is gonna be their first Air Max 1. I don't know if this will happen, but I wouldn't be surprised if next year Nike and Patta drop a ton of colorways, because Nike has definitely done this in the past like they did with the Off-White Dunks. Images have leaked actually of an upcoming colorway called the Night Maroon colorway, which is definitely quite different than the first two, and who knows how many more colorways we'll see. And that's about it. If you liked the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Like I said, I'm dropping a ton of videos on here, and if you haven't already done so, make sure you're following me on Instagram. My handle is right here at JDKick6. Very active on there, and it's probably the best place to contact me. The on feet about to drop right now. Thank you guys so much for stopping by on the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.